On the next quilt show, there's no doubt Lisa Ellis knows how to make a standout art quilt. But perhaps what makes her even more special is just how much she gives back to the greater quilting community.
It was an incredible experience to see the difference that quilts were making in the hospital setting. And so that became one of my real passions.
She is creating a better world, one healing quilt at a time. Wait till you see her breakout approach to making charming cathedral window quilts.
Plus, she'll show you how to paint letters with thread in an exciting and innovative way.
And don't miss Ricky's approach to Chinese coin quilts.
I took my hands as far as I could and I would stretch. But with Alex there, we can give a tug, and now I don't care where this next pin goes, it's all gonna just fit close to the middle.
You'll feel rich with inspiration from the show.
Join us.